Hi friends, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. Welcome back to my Paper Pumpkin Alternative Catch-Up series. I'm trying to get back on track with my Paper Pumpkin subscription. I want it to go from this to some beautiful masterpieces. I hope that I can offer you some gentle motivation to catch up yourselves if you're like me. And if you're not like me and you just like the design, why not create something similar with the supplies that you have in your stash? Hello friends! So this box is for April of 2023. It's called All the Little Things. It came with a shaded spruce Stampin' spot, and it also had a free gift, which was a ink spot organizer, which I still use to this day. This was the supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes, and of course the instructions here that share with you all the items. And let's say that the coordinating colors for this box were Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Calypso Coral, Granny Apple Green, Petal Pink, Poppy Parade, and of course Shaded Spruce. So I didn't use the twine, but yeah, I mean I used a lot of the laser die cuts. So I like to show you sort of my thought process. It's been a while since I actually had this paper pumpkin kit, so it's nice to sort of sketch some stuff. And this is my thought process. I look at the stamp set. I also look at the components, and I came up with this. I guess a lot of people have this angled design. I've never done one before, so I'm trying it out. So I thought I would use the card bases in the kit, which are 5.5 by 4.25. So these triangles have to be smaller than that. And I thought I would put the envelope. And then, so I pulled out the envelope, looked at the color, looked at what it would look like. And then I went ahead with the leaf design to check how much I'm going to have to cut off to make it like the proper size that I wanted. And I couldn't decide whether I wanted the leaves on top or the leaves on the bottom. And so what I ended up doing was making 2 cards. And out comes, I don't know if you guys have ever met Excalibur, but this is my letter opener. And I always have a fun flourish with him. All right, so I'm taking my my trimmer here, and I am just trimming off like a straight edge. I just need to start with a straight edge, and then I will cut down the one envelope fold, and then now I'm going to start sizing. So I said I needed it to be smaller than a card base, so I decided to go 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and I think that would just suffice nicely. So I'm leaving the envelope solid, but I am going to slice the leaves in half. So this is where I came up with the idea of the twofer. So I'm going to glue the leaves on the top portion of this envelope. And then just off camera, I cut out another envelope. You should know by now, if you watch my paper pumpkins from the past, that, I mean, it's like the envelope is the one that gets sacrificed the most. I kind of feel like on Star Trek, you know, the yeomen in the red outfits, they're the ones who always die. I feel the same way with the envelopes. All right, so this is a holographic. I was going to say holistic. I don't think it's holistic. This is a holographic paper that Stampin' Up! Provides. It is called, let's see, Holographic Trio 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series, or Specialty DSP, and it is in the annual catalog if you want to look it up. I put adhesive sheets behind it, and then I just used like a little sliver. This is what I like our trimmer for, because it does cut little slivers like this. So I essentially made little stickers, and it just finishes off those leaves nicely, gives it like a, I don't know, like a border. And I kind of needed that, or that's what I felt anyway. And then, so the leaves are shiny too. So this holographic paper just goes delightfully. All right, so like I said, I'm going to make 2 cards, and I'm adhering this to the white card bases that came in the kit, so no special anything. I did the same here with this one, so I decided just to keep it the same, like one up and one down. I couldn't make up my mind, so I went with either or. So there's these little flowers that came in the kit. I put dimensional adhesive behind it. There was dimensionals that came with the kit, and I put them where I thought they would logically go on the branches. I don't know if this is a thing, so I'm just, you know, it's a card, it's not real life, so I'm not going to take it too seriously. All right, so I have my shaded spruce, and I am using the stamp set that says, I'm grateful for all the little things you do. And there was these sentiment pieces in the kit, and I'm going to use 2 of those. And then I will put dimensional adhesive along the back side, and then adhere it to the card where I think it looks nice. And then I'm going to use the gems that came in the kit. They're very nice. They're iridescent rhinestones. And I tried to use them up as much as I could. I ended up, I think, using 3 on these projects. So I always go with a mama and a baby, and then if there's a middle one, I usually tuck the middle one off to the side. Anyway, this is my creation for today. Wanted to wish you all a happy Halloween too, because that's going on right now. And I will see you again shortly for part 2 of this paper pumpkin kit. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, thumbs upping, and all of that jazz, all those YouTube-y things. All right, I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.